You're not ugly, but you might be doing things every single day that make you look worse without even realizing it. Most guys blame genetics, but the truth? It's habits. And the worst part is, these habits are so normal, you don't even notice them anymore. Let's fix that. Habit 1. Mouth breathing. If you breathe through your mouth, you're destroying your face. Mouth breathing weakens your jawline. It causes poor facial development. It makes you look tired and unfocused. This isn't bro science. Dentists and orthodontists talk about this all the time. Nose breathing strengthens your jaw, improves your posture, makes you look sharper. Action step. Right now, close your mouth. Breathe through your nose. If it feels hard, you've been doing it wrong for years. Start fixing it today. Habit 2. Sleeping on your side or stomach. Every night you sleep on your side, you're crushing your face into a pillow for 8 hours. Over time, that creates asymmetry, wrinkles, puffiness. Sleep on your back. It keeps your face neutral, your spine aligned, your skin clear. Action step. Tonight, force yourself to start on your back. It'll feel weird for a week. Then it becomes normal. Habit 3. Not drinking enough water. When you're dehydrated, your skin looks dull. Your eyes look sunken. Your face looks older. Water flushes toxins, plumbs your skin, sharpens your features. Most guys walk around dehydrated and wonder why they look tired all the time. Action step. Drink a full glass of water right after this video. Then one more before bed. Build from there. Habit 4. Constantly looking down at your phone. Every time you look down at your phone, you're creating a double chin, weakening your neck, ruining your posture. And people notice. They see you hunched over, head down, disengaged. It makes you look insecure, unattractive, low status. Action step. Hold your phone at eye level. Keep your head up when you walk. Your neck will thank you. So will your jawline. We're halfway through. Most guys do these habits every single day and wonder why they don't look their best. It's not genetics, it's discipline. Habit 5. Eating junk food regularly. Let's be clear about what this does. Junk food causes inflammation, breakouts, bloating, dull skin. Your face reflects what you eat. If you're eating garbage, you'll look like it. I'm not saying never eat junk. I'm saying don't eat it out of boredom, out of convenience, out of laziness. Action step. For the next 7 days, cut out one junk food you eat regularly. Just one. See how your face responds. Habit 6. Skipping sunlight. You stay inside all day. You avoid the sun, and your body suffers. No sunlight means low vitamin D, poor mood, bad sleep, pale, lifeless skin. Sunlight resets your circadian rhythm, boosts your energy, gives your face a healthy glow. 15 minutes outside in the morning does more for your appearance than any skincare product. Action step. Go outside tomorrow morning. No phone, just walk. Let the sun hit your face. Do it for 5 days straight. Habit 7. Stressing about everything. Stress is a silent killer for your appearance. It causes breakouts, premature aging, hair loss, dark circles. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol, and cortisol destroys your face over time. Most guys live in constant low-level stress, and they don't even realize it. You're worried about work, relationships, money, and it's all showing up on your face. Action step. Use this breathing technique right now. Inhale deeply through your nose. Pause. Take one more small breath at the top. Exhale slowly. Do it 3 times. Your nervous system will calm down instantly. Here's the truth. You're not ugly. You're just undisciplined. Every habit on this list is something you can control. Right now, today, you don't need new information. You need consistency. Most guys want to look better, but they're not willing to change the small things that actually matter. They want a magic pill, a shortcut, a hack, but there isn't one. It's the daily habits, the boring stuff, the things no one sees. Sleep on your back, breathe through your nose, drink water, put your phone down, eat real food, get sunlight, manage your stress. Do that for 30 days and your face will look completely different. Not because you changed who you are, but because you finally acted like you cared. Pick one habit from this video, just one. Commit to it for 7 days. Then come back and tell me what changed. Drop a comment. Let me know which habit you're fixing first. And if this opened your eyes, hit subscribe. Let's keep building together.